Back in stock, but only a few, is the Vevor duck head kit. This is an attachment that works on the Vevor manual tire machines. This makes it so you can do bigger than 16-inch tires. You can do from 16 to 21-inch tires. To use it, you're going to take your rim, you're going to drop your rim right on down, lock your rim into place with that peg. Take our ring, slip a ring right on in, lock our clamp down, and you slip your duck bill right on over from here, and you adjust it from here, loosen up here, see where you want it, loosen up here, you go in and out with it until it's appropriate. Of course, you'll have your bead broken, you'll slip this and then on a bead, and then you take your tool and you'll walk her all the way around, and she'll come right on off, and you can actually use this to install as well. We're going to start by letting the air out of our tire that we're going to take the tire off of. We're going to line it up to a built-in bead breaker on the machine, just like so. Make sure it's broken all the way around. Inner one. Make sure you're doing the opposite side of the valve stem. You don't want to mess your valve stem up if you're not changing them. We're going to drop our rim right on in. We're going to tighten this down nice and tight. To do that, we're going to use our tool nice and tight. Take your tool. Stick it on in there. Duck head. We're going to line this on up. We're going to adjust where we need it. Just go down a little bit. Try to slip it on in. Tighten that on up. Just going to lube up our rim. We're going to use a little bit of soap. You might need 2 tire spoons for this. You got a hump right here. You're going to pull your rim out and you're going to get that hump inside the tire. We'll take our tire. Flip our rim on down, take our other tire spoon, and we'll just get her in there. Just to start it. Pull that on out. Now the tool's actually designed to fit inside the machine like so. It's going to slip in there. And then you're just going to give her a pull. You can walk her around. And as you can see with ease, she's already starting to remove herself from the rim. We're not fighting it. We're not struggling it. And the most important thing is, we're not scratching it all up. And we can even go even further. And we can put like more cushion on here or foam if you really want to prevent it from scratching. But as seen, no scratches at all, which is definitely nice. Now the hard part is always the inner side of the tire. That's normally where we fight the most with. But with one of these, same thing. We're going to use this side. We're going to get the hump on there. Same thing, slip your tool in there. You just walk her on out. Grab our tool. Now the tire is off the rim. And we didn't scratch it. You guys want one of these duck head kits? They're on a great sale and there's only a few left in stock. So take advantage of the savings while it's there and get yourself one. Also appreciate it. This video a like and you follow for more great deals.